This is the 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro line has always been synonymous with cutting-edge technology, sleek design and powerful performance. And with this latest release, Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of what a laptop can be. So, is this the perfect Mac? Let's find out. Unboxing the 14-inch MacBook Pro is a straightforward yet satisfying experience. Inside the box you'll find the laptop snugly secured, and taking it out reveals the MacBook's sleek and well-crafted form. The accessories, including the charging cable and power adapter, are neatly organised underneath. While it may not be overly extravagant, the unboxing experience reflects Apple's signature simplicity and precision, setting the stage for the quality you can expect from the MacBook itself. The first thing you'll notice when you hold this Mac is its impressive build quality. Those familiar with Apple's Air lineup may find it a bit weightier, but not in a bad way. It exudes a sense of sturdiness and feels like a well-crafted piece of technology, suggesting it can handle the powerful processor effortlessly. With the 14-inch display, Apple has effectively packed all this technology into a relatively compact form, especially when compared to the 15-inch Air. The new MacBook Pro is made from a single piece of aluminium, and it's available in two different colours, space grey and silver. Apple's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail shines through in every aspect of this laptop. The space grey finish on this model exudes a sense of sophistication with its sleek and minimalist appearance. The unibody aluminium chassis is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly robust, ensuring durability while maintaining a reasonably slim profile. The device's refined edges, precise cutouts, and the classic Apple logo on the lid all contribute to a timeless aesthetic. The Magic Keyboard, with its scissor switch mechanism, offers a satisfying typing experience, and the expansive Liquid Retina XDR display seamlessly merging with slim bezels further accentuates this laptop's modern look. The 14-inch MacBook Pro in space grey epitomizes the marriage of form and function, making it an elegantly designed powerhouse for creative professionals who appreciate good design. This new MacBook boasts a stunning 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which looks incredible in person with a striking resolution of 3024 by 1964. What's truly impressive is its capacity to render over 1 billion colours, producing visuals that genuinely look like the best I have seen on any laptop. Additionally, this display stands out for its remarkable brightness, thanks to Apple's XDR technology, which propels it to an impressive 1000 nits, further surging to 1600 nits when engaging with HDR content. This represents a significant leap forward, especially when compared to the 500 nit capacity of Apple's Air lineup. If brightness is a crucial factor for you, the new Pro displays will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. Moreover, this Mac takes advantage of Apple's ProMotion technology, allowing these displays to have an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This innovation contributes to an experience that's exceptionally smooth and effortlessly responsive. While it's challenging to convey this on camera, it's an aspect that truly comes to life when you're actively using this panel. Now, performance is why people buy a professional Mac, and on paper this device certainly delivers. From what I have seen so far, both in person and online, the performance of the 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro is nothing short of remarkable. Thanks in large part to the cutting-edge M2 Pro chip, this powerful piece of silicon brings an extraordinary level of computing prowess to a laptop of this size, making it a game changer in the world of portable computing. With the M2 Pro chip, the MacBook Pro can handle demanding tasks with ease, from intensive video editing and 3D rendering to running multiple virtual machines. It's truly impressive how a laptop as sleek and compact as the 14-inch MacBook Pro can deliver desktop-class performance, demonstrating Apple's commitment to innovation and their ability to push the boundaries boundaries of what's possible in the world of laptops. The M1 Pro chip from last year was incredible, but this year, with M2 Pro inside the 14-inch Mac, the blend of power and portability really does set a new standard for professional users and creative enthusiasts looking to make an upgrade. The battery life of the MacBook Pro is a standout feature that showcases the impressive engineering behind this laptop. Even with the incredibly potent M2 chip under the hood, the MacBook Pro manages to deliver excellent battery life. This feat is achieved through Apple's meticulous optimization, balancing performance and energy efficiency. The M2 Pro chip's advanced architecture, combined with macOS Sonoma's power management features, ensures that the MacBook Pro can handle resource-intensive tasks while sipping power conservatively during less demanding activities. This balance results in a laptop that can apparently last through a full day's work, making it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives on the go. It's going to be interesting to see how this thing holds up when I'm spending entire days editing, and this is definitely something I will talk more about in my full review of this Mac, so get subscribed to make sure you don't miss that video when it goes live on the channel. Now, whilst we're talking about the battery, for those interested, the base model shown in this video comes with a 67-watt USB-C power adapter included in the box, but for those of you looking to level up this machine, a 96-watt adapter is included with every other 14-inch model. Something to bear in mind if this is important to you. So, after around a week of hands-on experience with the 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro, I must admit that I am pleasantly surprised. It looks like it strikes a remarkable balance between power and portability, making it a fantastic choice for those in need of a capable, on-the-go computing solution. In fact, I would go as far as saying it may very well be on the path to becoming one of my all-time favourite MacBooks and potentially the perfect Mac. However, only time will tell, which is why I'll be sharing a more detailed review very soon, along with a thorough comparison against the 15-inch MacBook Air. If you're interested in diving deeper into the details, please think about subscribing to the channel for lots more content. If you have any questions about this Mac that haven't been answered in this video, then drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.